To you and me, it might just look like giant grass, but in the current global marketplace, this plant is waging a quiet war against plastic, and it's winning. From toothbrushes to tableware and chopsticks to high-end construction, bamboo is no longer just a material for traditional crafts. Welcome to Tech Talks. Today, we're going to show you how this green gold is driving a staggering $60 billion global industry. This is no longer just about cottage industries. We are talking about a massive shift in consumer goods, furniture, paper, and even textiles. Especially in Asia, bamboo isn't just strengthening rural economies. It is the backbone of the new circular economy. While plastic waste chokes our rivers and landfills, bamboo offers a solution programmed by nature itself. The secret lies in its explosive growth rate. Under the right conditions, certain species can shoot up 3 feet in just 24 hours. And the best part? Once harvested, you don't need to replant it. It regenerates from its own root system. It is, effectively, nature's most efficient self-replenishing factory. They call it sustainable farming, but getting it out of the ground is a tale of two worlds. On rugged mountain slopes where machines can't reach, harvesting is still a grueling manual art. Farmers use curved, razor-sharp sickles, hauling heavy stalks down steep paths just as our ancestors did. But down on the flatlands, it's a technological revolution. Here, hydraulic harvesters, looking like a cross between a crane and a tank, slice through dense bamboo thickets in seconds. A single machine can process over 150 stalks an hour, outpacing a human crew by dozens of times. Once the harvest hits the sorting facility, the first line of defense is still the human eye. Experienced workers inspect every inch for micro cracks, hidden fungus, or insect damage that even sensors might miss. For international kitchenware markets, this quality control is non-negotiable. Now the real engineering begins. For items like disposable chopsticks, the bamboo enters high-speed cutting machines that act like industrial scalpels. Conveyor belts feed the stalks to be sliced into millimeter-perfect segments. Modern setups use smart sensors to detect the bamboo's hard knots, automatically adjusting the cutting speed to prevent splintering. Next, the raw cuts are tumbled in high-speed drum sanders for smoothness, followed by a trip through industrial kilns. The heat treatment is crucial. It locks out moisture and prevents mold. Finally, with robotic precision, the finished products are paired and sealed in biodegradable paper, ready for the world. When it comes to reusable items like forks, spoons, or toothbrushes, the tolerance for error drops to zero. This is where CNC, or computer numerical control robotics, come into play. Programmed with digital blueprints, these machines carve the bamboo, maintaining the perfect curve and thickness. After the initial cut, soft-touch sanding belts polish the surface to remove any rough edges. For toothbrushes, micro drills puncture the head with surgical precision to hold the bristles. The final touch is a high-speed fabric buffing, giving the wood a silky premium finish. It's a process that combines nature's durability with modern manufacturing precision. Making paper, however, requires a completely different approach. Here, we aren't shaping the wood. We are breaking it down to its DNA. First, giant crushers pulverize the bamboo into raw fibers. These fibers are then cooked in tanks with organic enzymes to dissolve the lignin, the glue that makes wood hard, leaving behind a soft pulp. This pulp travels onto a moving mesh belt where vacuum pumps suck out the water, forming a continuous sheet. It passes over steam-heated drums, drying instantly into fully biodegradable bamboo paper. It's an extraordinary transformation from a hard stalk to a soft tissue. From disposable utensils to durable construction materials, bamboo has proven that a simple grass can meet the complex demands of modern industry. Every step, cutting, smoothing, pressing, and drying, isn't just replacing plastic or wood. It is opening a new frontier in renewable resources. So, what do you think? Is bamboo the silver bullet our environment needs to survive the plastic age? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And for more deep dives into the future of technology and nature, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.